take me back to December. Ukipuliza kipenga imechi wendo referee. Ashifura.
Why the blood? Why the cameraman deal like that, bro? Bruh, that's just nah. That's wrong. That's wrong. I don't know. They will have to delete this scene out the video. Brother, it properly back. Go on. Yeah, woman actually like doing that.
Reaction.
What's the ready to be supporter vlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Yo, I'll go on Kenya. Don't know chat with us. So whatever song is called MPISHI. I don't know, you know I'm going to pronunciation already. You see me? I say MATATA, bien. You know chap already. I've been loving the feedback from you guys. You guys been recommending a lot of songs. Check it out, you feel me? I can get a comment from you guys like every 2 minutes. A new subscribe like every 2 minutes. I guess what? Let's keep doing that. Let's get to the video right now. Let's see what this song is talking about. Let's see if it got the girls in it. You know what I can say already, though. Anyways, let's see what I go on. Run tune. Yeah, there's no one off ripping. I'm gonna be dancing already. It's like a little vibes. Yeah, go on.
Leo sapa tunakuladi mpishi, bora tushibe.
MPISHI. Come on. Let's go.
Leo sapa tunakuladi mpishi, bora tushibe. Mwiko refu tunafungadi mshipi, bora tupike. Kamba ya buda unaweza gongewa, hauna mbota na bado timing unatolewa. Bora mpishi jumpishi, bora shaolewa. Easy but ni
look up what this means. Let me look up what this means really quick. What is spell? Oh, I'm spelling it right. Let's see something. MPISHI means chef or cook. English is the term essentially. Really? Nah, that's not the one I want. That's not the meaning I want. There we go. Food. Which means head or shit, must. What? Nah, never. Let's go.
Go easy ganji kitolewa. Baby don't touch me there. Me gonna wake you in the air. I me say touch me there.
Why the old school? What you call? Is this Kya? No. What is this? I used to do that same dance in high school, but hold on. Most of these songs, not most of them, a few of the songs I've been reacting so far is like it's a little sample of reggae or dancehall. I like it though. It's like I can relate to it, you feel me? But like I just realized that's what they do. But let's go.
Me gonna wake you in the air. I me say touch me there. Sugar down low, find me there. Hakuna cha reverse, nikisha kanyaga sin. I'm always on time. Lakunya zimefit kwenye nginyo ni magrin.
I see me trying to catch a dance move them. Like I always try now. You see me I say. But why them man feel like they need to have a routine than the video that go on.
Feeling really high, yeah. I'm feeling best, take it feeling nice. I'm really best, take it you cannot deny. Feeling really high, yeah. It's many bambas, many fika dikwatos. Tell me your number, gonna pay a jackie calls. Likunishan den kajipata ni medos. So do not really hini dawa hini dos. Spirit go so high, was it shusha walai. Baby don't be so shy, tisha Kenya not die. Feeling really high,
Oh, how you feeling? Smirnoff, that is dangerous. That is 100% vodka, you're dangerous. What will on?
Hini dawa hini dos. Spirit go so high, was it shusha walai. Baby don't be so shy, tisha Kenya not die. Feeling really high,
Hakuna cha reverse, nikisha kanyaga scene. I'm always on.
I'm gonna pause and give them my feedback so far. You know, halfway in, I like it's a vibe, as me I say. I told you what me I look for already, you know, but me I like the song. You see me? I like the song, I like the feel it. You see me I say. Come can vibe to it. But I think I go vibe to it regardless, but once me, y'all know what I want to see right now. So once me say that, you know chap already.
I'm tired. Takunya si me feet kwenye ninyo ni magrin. Feeling really high. I'm feeling best, check it, feeling nice. I'm really blessed, check it, you cannot deny. Feeling really high.
Why? You know what I talk about that? Go on. Hey. It's like the African boys to me.
Therapy, mzimbiting, na kutibu from within. A win is a win, nikisha kanyaga sin. Mohana nice and lovely, sweet and sexy girl. Won't you catch a wine for me?
She got a smile. Go on.
I take me back to December. Ukipuliza kipenga, imechi wendo referee. Ashifura.
Why the blood? Why the cameraman deal like that, bro? Bruh, that's just nah. That's wrong. That's wrong. I don't know. They would have to delete this scene out the video. Bro, they head properly back. Go on. Yeah. Woman actually like doing that. Woman actually like doing that. You know what? I take it back.
Ashifula pomekuza mulima anainama anainuka atoti dedile zodika hakuna cha reverse nikisha kanyaga sina I'm always on style hakuna zimefit kwenye ninyo ni magrin feeling really high I'm feeling best check it feeling nice I'm really blessed check it you cannot deny feeling really high
I can see like a lot of a whole heap of TikTok can make to that song against me. I say, you know, say when the song come out, I'm spam it. Why do I get emails and the email and a freaking picture on it? Like, what the fuck? Anyways, as I was saying, it's like I could see this song like being real, going real crazy on TikTok actually when it initially came out. So hopefully I catch like a hit song. Well, not because I'm not rushing for you guys. Hopefully a hit song drop. You feel me? That's gonna like trend and have TikToks being made and everything, so we can retro TikTok them for you see me. So we could see what the comment section I say real quick. You don't know. At least I can translate the comment section. Boom. You see me? Yeah, I say. I agree. Okay. All of us who are listening should eat the cook and there's dishes. So it actually meant cook. I looked it up and I'm like, what? Ain't no way. So why is it? Why is the song called? Why is the song called that? Why? At this point, just tell me why. But you know, I'll read the comments as I always do, and I reply to every single comment or your comments. And let's get the video to 200 likes, and I'll see you on another one. You feel me? Peace.